Okay, this video is about how to properly remove this trim piece so we can remove the stereo. Okay, first thing you want to do is just start yanking shit. This trim piece does happen to hold every valuable thing in your van, including your air ducts, so you do have to have it. So be very careful. You can see here there's a wiring nightmare. I added this to give me USB and aux in. My stereo. Once you pop these out, they never go back in and stay. You actually have to glue them in. Oh, that one actually might. Nope. Yeah, that one's staying in. Oh, but the trim, the stupid thing is gone. Now, with my aftermarket stereo, I got this little Bluetooth here. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. There you go. And now you have it almost completely out. Now, you often have to disconnect these wires, but I found if you just yank it out of there, it usually gets out of your way pretty easy. Then you can access the valuables. Just like that. Okay. Wow. Alright. So I need this guy. It does hold in your lights as well, so you want to make sure you're really careful extracting this. Now they did make this piece detachable so that when you take this out, you don't have to necessarily lower your steering wheel. I've never had that work. Perfect. Our stock wiring harness. And that is what I came here for. This van can rot in hell. That's why I don't buy Chevy anymore. Quality control, plastics they use are cheap, fall apart. Great motors, great transmissions, good looking cars. The new Silverado is ugly as but and that's how you remove the trim piece around your dash on a 2005, actually I think it's 96 through 2005 Chevy Astro. 96 might be a weird year where they had the Gen 1 Gen 1 interior, in which case it's 97. I don't remember. Something like that. Maybe we'll do the door panels next. Those are fun. Take it easy.